Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the PhD aspirants. Why? Because here we got the PhD admission notifications from the two NITs guys, National Institute of Technologies, and eligibility is the PG or UG Senate, and the selection process is based upon the PhD entrance test. So from all over the India, from any state, you may apply for this entrance test guys. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, and here the research fellowships are also available. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission notifications in the National Institute of Technologies. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the PhD admission notifications from the two NITs. And please give me one like for this video guys.
Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG Net preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video.
And now while coming to the present content of the video, so the first NIT we are going to see is National Institute of Technology from Arunachal Pradesh guys. So here we got the advertisement for PhD admission for the session July to December 2021. And here you may check down the PhD notification as well as application form. So first we will see the details here in the PhD admission. Just click on that one guys, and then you will be directed to the notification from this NIT Arunachal Pradesh. And you may check down applications are invited for admission to the PhD program under part-time or the project part-time or the self-sponsored category for all departments for the session July to December 2021. And the application form and details are downloadable from the institute website. Okay, so here you have to notice one thing guys: part-time, project part-time, self-sponsored category. That means there is no regular or the full-time PhD admission in this July to December 2021 from this NIT Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, if you are interested to do the part-time, then you may apply for this one guys, or else a project part-time, or else a self-sponsored category. Okay, and next, while coming to the departments and qualifications are mentioned, first we will see the departments: biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical, electronics and communication, mechanical, basic and applied science, management and humanities. Okay, so these are the different departments guys. Okay, total 9 departments are there. And if you once check the minimum educational qualifications here, MTech or MSc, that means only post graduation in this department is enough. If you are having the graduation that is BTech, then GATE score is must and should. Okay, that means for all the departments here the qualification is only post graduation in the corresponding department, or else if you don't have the post graduation, if you are just having the BTech, that is graduation, then you must have the valid GATE score in the corresponding department. Okay, so that point you may check down here. Minimum educational qualifications for admission: master's degree in engineering or technology in the relevant area of research along with the bachelor's degree with the first class or minimum 60% of marks. The candidates who are having the bachelor's degree only, okay, then 7.0 CGPA with valid GATE score must be there. And coming to the science, humanities or management, master's degree with first class or minimum 60% or 6.5 CGPA, scale of equivalent in master's level. Okay, so here, yeah, these are the things guys. And coming to the part-time, no fellowship from the institute. As we already know that for part-time there is no fellowship available. Okay, the candidate should be working in government organization, education institutions, public sector and central government organizations. No objection certificate should be submitted from the controlling office or the department. That means if you are working somewhere in the college, then you may apply for the part-time PhD in the NIT Arunachal Pradesh guys. And while coming to the project category part-time, candidate should have worked for at least 6 months as a JRF in the relevant areas. No objection certificate should be submitted through Dean R&D. And self-sponsored, nothing but you yourself has to put the money. No fellowship from the institute. The candidate should be working in the government organization or education institution, public sector and central government. So no objection certificate has to be bring guys. Okay, So these are the things. Anyhow, in the NIT Arunachal Pradesh, whatever the admission notification released now, so there is no research fellowships available, guys, and the minimum educational qualifications I shown to you, and the selection will be done through the written test or the personal interview by the respective departments. And how to apply is the application form can be downloaded from the institute website, and candidates are advised to visit the institute website for frequent updates. A candidate interested in applying in more than one department shall be required to submit the separate application forms. A non-refundable fee of 100 rupees or 50 rupees for the ST, SC, PWD candidates is to be deposited to the Canara Bank. Here the bank details are also provided, and the duly filled application form with documents are to be sent to this provided mail ID with subject PhD admission in the department of XYZ. That means which department. The candidates are required to produce original documents along with no objection certificate to the HOD if selected. Okay. So these are all the details, guys, and you may check down the important dates here. Last date of submission of application is 20th July, and publication of shortlisted candidates 24th, and a written test followed by interview 28th to 10th August. Display or notification of result in website 13th August. Date of admission 13th to 16th August. Commencement of class 16th August. Okay. So these are all the details, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, this website link in the description box of this video, so you may get down the notification as well as application form. Both these two you can access from this website. Fine. And coming to the next NIT is the National Institute of Technology, Patna, guys. Fine. So from Patna also, so NIT Patna, here we got the PhD admission notification. Fine. But what I observed from this one is from NIT Patna, if you want to get the fellowship, you must be qualified the minimum UGC net assistant professor. Okay. Anyhow, we will see the details here. So the departments are architecture and planning, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical, electronics and communication, mechanical, chemistry, humanities and social sciences. Okay, in this one, English, economics, finance and sociology is there, mathematics and physics. And JRF or SRF for externally funded projects running at the institute will be selected through this process. And here the different admission criteria are there. Full-time PhD program. So for the full-time PhD program, the research assistantship is available, and you will get funding from the NIT Patna itself. Okay, with direct financial support from the government or also semi-government agencies. And the full-time sponsored employee of a PSU, government department, R&D organizations, industries of repute, faculties of education institutions can apply for this one. And the sponsored applicants will be eligible for admission if they are treated by their employers as on deputation with their full salary and allowance. Okay, so these are the categories, and the sponsored candidates are exempted from the GATE or NET qualification, but they should possess the minimum entry qualification fixed by the institute as per the eligibility criteria. That means only sponsored candidates are exempted from the GATE or the NET qualification. Understand, guys? And the candidates who are applying for the full-time PhD program with research assistantship, then definitely those candidates must have the GATE or the NET qualification. And the part-time candidates are also exempted. Okay, while coming to the part-time, are also exempted from the GATE or NET qualification. Okay, and next JRF or SRF working at NIT Patna is given. Okay, so you may check down. So finally, while coming to the departments or ECE, electrical, I mean, as I already shown you, and here in this table, you will find out the number of PhD vacancies, I mean vacant seats as per the caste category. You may observe this, and eligibility criteria is mentioned here. Candidates with following qualification will be eligible for the admission to the PhD program: MTech or ME or MArch or M Planning, Design, MSc, MCom, MBA, MA. Okay, in relevant discipline with 6.5 CGPA or 60%, and candidates with post-graduation equivalent degrees from IITs, NITs, CFTA, SFTA or Central State University in relevant are required to produce a proof of having the GATE or JAM or JEST or CAT or equivalent national eligibility test while taking admission in the master's program in the relevant discipline or has qualified in one of the national eligibility test. The sponsored candidates are exempted from this test. Okay, guys. Next, the candidates who are having the BTech or BE, definitely they must have the valid GATE or NET score must be there. Fine. So these are the points, guys, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So all the interested candidates may once go through the selection process. Okay, the research assistantship is available for the full-time PhD program, guys. And what are the different documents you have to produce for the verification purpose? Okay, and what is the semester fee? And while coming to the interested candidates may apply through online on or before 22nd July 2021. Okay, so it is a online website, guys. Okay, so through this one you have to apply. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, you will get down the more details regarding this one, guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.